we're Ryan and Milan, and this week we're taking a day tour from Hanoi to Ninh Bình province. What was originally advertised as discovering a quiet slice of Vietnamese culture turned out to be, well, a lot more hectic than we had anticipated. Good morning. Today we're taking a tour from Hanoi. We're going to the Ninh Bình area so that we can get on one of those rowboats where the ladies row with their feet. And we've just made a quick stop at a temple.
So the best way to get here for us was to take a tour from Hanoi. We're a little bit on other people's time, which is fine, but because it was a much more comfortable ride and easier to get here. So we're just waiting to get our tickets and then we're heading into the temple.
Yeah, it's a bit of a rigmarole because we have to wait for, we have to do a full pickup in Hanoi.
Oh yeah, bathroom breaks, coffee breaks.
Yeah, so so really it's about 2 hours to get here from Hanoi, but it took about 3.5 hours just once we picked up everybody.
There's like a yak over here.
I have a feeling this is a picture set up where you give the guys some money. Still looks pretty cool.
Just chilling. Kind of a busy spot here, but you're allowed to, once you're in the, this is the Đinh Dynasty temple. And there's a bit of a pool here. Lots of koi fish.
So we couldn't film inside the main temple. We'll get back on the bus soon and head to Ninh Bình. So we've made it to Tam Coc. So just for reference, so this is Hanoi. And then we came all the way here to the Ninh Bình province here. And then a lot of people here, they stay here for a night or two before they take the boat cruises. We're only here for the day, but it's a full restaurant, tours, lots of hotels.
It's actually a busy, well, I'm assuming this is the main strip, but it's this is lots going on here for sure.
It's a nice busy, like it's not overwhelming like Hanoi. It's a bit cozy and it's super cute.
Yeah, there's lots to eat.
And like the buildings are super nice too.
Yeah.
And I can totally see how people would choose to do this as like a 2 or 3 day trip because it's quite the trek. Like to do all of this in one day, we'll be gone for at least 13 hours today, just round trip. A quick coffee to
Got my coffee with the handle.
Yeah, to take on the boat ride.
Yeah, these are common around here. There's a lot of places where you can get these handles for your drinks. But
at least they're not plastic, because I find oftentimes it's like a plastic holding your plastic cup.
This is
more like a bamboo.
It's like a bamboo holder.
Yeah, perfect. Let's get on a boat.
We made it to Trang An to get on the boats here. It's 15 minutes from Tam Coc. And the reason why the guy brought us here is supposed to be a more beautiful of a paddle or row this way.
And you can get a boat at Tam Coc.
It's a lot quieter there, and it's a bit of a different view.
Yeah, but
it's a little hectic here, though.
The guide seems to feel that this is going to be nicer here.
All right, we're in. Oh, it's a little crazy here.
Big speaker. It's organized chaos. Okay, we're on the boat.
Yeah. Bit of a gong show to get in.
Yeah.
There's like 150 people on a bunch of steps. Every tour group gets mixed up. Every tour guide tries to find their group. We bought extra tickets to have a boat to ourselves so we can video, which causes chaos because it's usually 4 people in a boat. And everyone sees that there's 2 spots.
They're trying to get in.
Tries to get the boat.
And you're telling them don't get in.
Just a mess. But we got on. So.
We're on. I found it stressful, so thankfully Ryan's here to lighten the mood. But
so it's a good little cruise, nice tailwind, and we're coming up to a cave in a bit.
Yeah.
So we're coming up to the first cave here. It was about, what would you say, Milan, like maybe about 500 meters from the
Oh yeah, it's
where
right
we got
from
put in.
Yeah, right from the beginning, and it says it's 60 meters long.
The first lamb cave.
Oh, you can already see the like the skylight on the other end.
Yeah, 60 meters long. We're in like single file. It's a busy spot here. Like boats are just non-stop. We got here kind of during lunchtime, which was less busy when we originally drove past it. Okay, we came out of the first cave into like this open bay.
And
there's some type of, it looks like a temple over there that we're heading towards.
what this is reminding me of almost like a theme park ride, just because every boat is like single file. And it's like they have a path they're following, eh?
Yeah, we're like riding wash with the 100 boats in front of us. But it's like, this is amazing. Like, I don't know if kind of videoing even does it justice here, but we're literally in a valley of these cliffs. Just to this secluded lake, only accessible by
the river?
I guess the caves, the river caves. You got to remember your boat number. We have no idea what our boat number is.
Another stunning site where we've made it to a pagoda. It looks like we go around it and into a cave.
Yeah, looks like we pop out on the other side.
Go in, and then I believe the out is over there. Oh, this one is longer. It's 250 meters.
So it's a lot darker, but there's lights all the way along.
Yeah.
250 meters, like that's a good distance. Okay.
Yes, because the last one that we did
was 60 meters.
Only 60 meters.
It's like the perfect size all the way through to row the boats.
That was a super long cave. Oh wow, it's gorgeous.
Oh wow, it was amazing.
I know. Oh look, it's like these little huts that we saw earlier.
Yeah, there's some up in the cliff tops too.
Oh, King Kong. Oh, this is where...
that's where the King Kong movie was filmed.
Yes, that's what it is. Okay. So, thank you. That went by super quick. Once we got out of the chaos, it was super relaxing, and I think we both enjoyed it. Oh, and we did 4 caves, in total?
At least that. It was a pretty good loop.
Yeah. And it's really nice because the temperature is not too hot. I can see if it was during summer how it would get super hot because there's no shade, but this was perfect.
So we made it to Hanoi, which is the dragon on top of the mountain. There's a 20-minute staircase up with a halfway point, or I guess you can just take it easy and chill.
And you get to pick if you want to go towards the left or towards the right, but apparently the left side is the best one. It's the one that goes to the dragon.
And big crowds here, so it's going to be a battle to get up to the top. So as you're walking to the stairs, there's this really cool little pathway, and there's actually a waterfall over there that just cuts through kind of like I guess like a former rice field here. It's a pretty cool little pathway though, worth checking out.
There's a little cave down there with a guy dressed like a monkey at the entrance. It's the tiger cave. And then that's the beginning of the steps.
Apparently there's 500.
Yeah, 500 steps.
These are steep ones.
So these people dressed in these attire. It's gorgeous. I'm breaking a sweat.
You get to some point and then it splits. Left to the dragon, right to a pagoda. Much like any touristy place where there's a set of stairs, really spreads out the group. So I think we're about 3/4 of the way up. About 10 minutes to get to here. Great view of the boats cruising along the canal. And there's a big platform here to chill.
And then there's
at another pagoda. That was the split down there. And up we go. It's like a nice, humid cooker.
There's this really nice walkway
It's at the bottom. I don't know. I guess we walked by it.
through the paddy fields, the rice fields.
Looks pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
You don't really notice it while you're down there, though.
No.
Until you get up to almost the top.
Yeah. So as you probably figured out, the drone hit the dragon's tail. We thought we actually lost it. So Ryan decided that he was going to go climb the rocks and went through some bushes to get it. It did look quite a bit sketchy from where I was standing, but Ryan says it was completely safe. Okay, so we made it back. We got the drone.
We got the drone safely. A few cuts, but that was it. Milan's mad.
I'm just glad to have my husband back. We're gonna end the video here and we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.